Hello, language aficionados. Is there a foreign tongue you've always yearned to master, but you're unsure of how and where to start? Don't fret. The idea of learning a new language might appear intimidating, but when divided into attainable steps, it evolves into an intriguing and rewarding expedition. Start with basic vocabulary and greetings. Engage in daily dialogue with a language partner. Tune into podcasts or audiobooks in the language you aspire to speak. Harness the power of language learning applications like Duolingo or Rosetta Stone. Watch movies or TV shows with subtitles in your target language. Begin reading children's books or news features in the language. Participate in language exchange forums or groups. Set practical goals and monitor your improvement. Dive into the language by making it a part of your environment. Plan a trip to a country where the language is spoken to get hands-on experience. First and foremost, start with the basics. This includes learning basic vocabulary and greetings in the language of your choice. Imagine being able to say, hello, thank you, or how are you, in multiple languages. It's not only a great party trick, but it also lays the foundation for more complex sentences and conversations. Next, engage in daily conversation with a language partner. This could be a tutor, a friend who speaks the language, or even a fellow learner. The key is to practice speaking and listening, as these are critical skills in any language. The more you use the language, the more natural it will feel. In addition to conversation practice, make use of modern technology. There are numerous language learning apps, such as Duolingo or Rosetta Stone, that can help you practice in a fun and engaging way. These apps often involve games, quizzes, and challenges that make learning feel less like a chore and more like an exciting game. Supplement your learning by immersing yourself in the language. This can involve listening to podcasts or audiobooks, watching movies or TV shows with subtitles, or reading children's books or news articles. This not only helps with comprehension and vocabulary, but it also gives you a sense of the culture and context in which the language is used. Another great resource is language exchange groups or forums. These communities provide a platform for learners to ask questions, share resources, and practice speaking. It can be a great way to make friends who share your passion for language learning. Now, it's important to set achievable goals and track your progress. This will help you stay motivated and see how far you've come. Remember, learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about progress, not perfection. Finally, if possible, travel to a country where the language is spoken. This is the ultimate immersion experience and allows you to practice the language in real-life situations. It's also a fantastic way to experience a new culture and make memories that will last a lifetime. In summary, learning a new language involves starting with the basics, practicing conversation, using language learning apps, immersing yourself in the language, joining language communities, setting goals, and potentially traveling. Remember, the journey of language learning is as rewarding as the destination. The benefits of learning a new language are immense, from expanding your worldview to enhancing your cognitive abilities. So, why wait? Embark on your language learning adventure today.